Hey everyone, I'm Alex Merrifield, a Salesforce consultant here at Solved, and we focus on automation and Agentforce and all the amazing opportunities we have with Salesforce as many new things are coming out. And today I want to talk about a common challenge many organizations face, and that is information silos. Teams often struggle to access and understand data outside their specific areas, which can lead to delays, inefficiencies, you name it. So how often have you needed to ask a specialist from another team to explain a complex record? Or waited on a report that was taking too long to create? What if there was a way to give everyone instant access to the information they need, regardless of their expertise? That is where Agentforce can come in. So information silos are a common challenge faced by many organizations. They can lead to delays, inefficiencies, and a lack of understanding between teams. Imagine needing to access information outside your area of expertise. How often have you had to wait for a specialist to explain a complex record or report? I know in my experience, this has happened even on an admin side, where you're trying to understand something that you've maybe never worked with before. And so what do? A lot of times we wait. And in the world of business, and especially as things are evolving with AI, speed is everything. And now knowledge is joining speed, and anybody, anywhere, is now able to gain access to records in a much faster way. Agentforce is the solution to these challenges. It provides instant access to information, regardless of your expertise level. So let's see Agentforce in action. We'll use a Salesforce service case record as an example. So looking at this case, imagine a sales rep needs to understand a complex service case to better serve a client. Traditionally, they've had to reach out to service team, wait for a response, try to decipher technical jargon. But with Agentforce, they can simply ask a question in natural language, so that natural language processing. And the ability to be able to do this can now allow that salesperson to see a case that's occurred, analyze the requirements, understand what's going on, and not have to worry about the service team responding in any way, but rather they'd have that information immediately. So continuing on with this idea, here's that same service case. Instead of reading through pages of details, we're seeing the sales rep can type or even just click that button, summarize this case, and they can get key issues and get highlights. And Agentforce instantly provides a concise summary, highlighting the most important information. They could also ask, in this case, explain the root cause of this issue. This case is pretty simple, so Agentforce can break that down and get the technical details into plain language. It also will tell you if there's not a lot more that we know, making it easy for anyone to understand. We also can see if we go a little deeper and say, hey, I'd like to understand the related activity. This means it can go in knowledge articles related, it can find related records, different information like that, which can be extremely useful. And in this case, it's giving us information about this is coming from the website. Who owns this? If you want to know more information, you could contact this individual. This is their name and different things like that. Agentforce will also be able to take actions after this. If the user wanted Agentforce to reach out to the owner of this case, in this case, would be able to be a much easier for a salesperson to interact with than it was something they had to wait on someone else to get that information from. So as we can see here, this is promoting teamwork. This is promoting not only teamwork, it's promoting the ability for this information to not be locked behind knowledge doors. It is now available to others that may need it in rapid time. Internally, Agentforce can be used to quickly understand records across different departments. This can significantly reduce the need for inter-team communication and speed up decision-making. We have a lot of cool things coming where Agentforce can be also in areas like Slack, which will help communication even more. So by allowing teams to interact with Salesforce data using natural language, Agentforce reduces the need for specialists to act as gatekeepers of information. Also, Agentforce can generate summaries in seconds. Imagine the time savings. You did not need to wait for a report to be created manually. These abilities create a unified view of information, fostering a more collaborative and efficient work environment. Agentforce is more than just a tool. It's a way to break down barriers and empower your teams. If you're interested in exploring how Agentforce can improve collaboration in your organization, here are a few next steps. First, watch Salesforce's official Agentforce demos to see its capabilities in action. Spring 25 release just happened, has a lot of exciting updates. I'll include the link below, and that includes some of the new videos on different types of Salesforce products and how Agentforce can be utilized there. Install Salesforce Foundation in your sandbox or dev org to experiment with Agentforce firsthand. That may sound really technical. If it does, contact Solve for a free consultation. We can help you identify the highest ROI starting points for your company and guide you through the implementation process. We are actively implementing Agentforce for our clients and have been pushing ourselves internally to be early adopters of the platform. But we're passionate about helping businesses leverage the power of AI to transform their workflows. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand how Agentforce can improve team collaboration and reduce those data silos, at least in a couple of areas. There are many other areas out there. If you're interested in exploring Agentforce further, please reach out to Solve. We are here to help you optimize your various operations. Thanks.